you. Gipalahi man ang ulo.
What's up, guys? So we're here for a wedding in Tagum, which is about an hour or so from Davao City. I'm in the, I guess, kind of dressing building area, and we're gonna go tour around and see what it's like. And then I'll probably cut to getting some breakfast after this because we stopped for breakfast first. So, you want to look around?
Let's look around. It's like an old house. It's just a small.
Yeah. It's down kind of an isolated road, but it's like an old compound. It's very pretty though.
It's our bathroom.
Oh, there's the eyes. Oh.
That's the pool.
It's an old chandelier. Could show up later.
Yeah, I wonder too.
A lot of times Filipino weddings are very full. I guess all weddings are full, but I'm expecting there to be at least 100 people. But I guess we will see. It's very cute.
It will be the reception.
There's not that many chairs. Like, maybe they're not expecting that many people.
Not yet, because there are still tables here.
Yeah. I guess it's time to rest. We did walk around the building, so now it's time to sit down. All right. Well, I guess that's maybe the grand tour. That's really just one building, and then there's a reception area, which is very pretty. They were inside already getting makeup at 6 hours before the wedding. But you said they have pictures at some point.
Yeah, like a photo shoot too.
Okay.
Carla, tawag ako ha og ano na mag-makeup. Tawag ako mag-makeup na. Kaya ni diri sa gay mi.
What are you gonna get?
Balbako, maybe? What about you?
Barbacoa. I don't know, the humba looks pretty good.
We could get one.
Did you already order? I don't know, they have barbacoa too.
You could choose what do you like?
I might get the chicken too. Yeah, it's good.
Saan po tayo kahumba?
Oh, they're gonna cut it?
Yeah, you're gonna, do you want to?
It's a whole plate full. It's a lot of chicken. It smells good.
Thank you. Sabaw sa balbak.
Nice. So we got the skin.
For the vlog face.
Are you excited for breakfast?
Balbak. Thank you.
Gipalahi man. Ang ulo.
Yep. Wala ay mo.
Masdam naman. Masdam na niya mo ah.
Oh wow. That chicken is amazing. I'm gonna dip it in the lava flow.
Jalebi na gusto. Mo gini kadali.
It's good. Yeah.
Good skin.
Paunahan ka sa may flyover.
It's good. It just needs a little salt, but the skin is nice. It's chewy, but soft. How's the chicken? Yeah.
Juicy.
The lighting is super good on you.
Because I'm wearing orange.
It's good. It's not like the humba in Cebu, but that one's always sweet. But it's good. All right, we're gonna enjoy breakfast, and then we'll go to Tagum for the wedding. See that they sell graham bars. Let's see if they have one. Ooh.
Yes, ma'am. Pila na siya? Kuan ma 25 ang dagko, 15 ang gagman.
Okay, hi.
Big or small piece?
Of course, big.
Big.
Yeah. Which is better, strawberry or mango?
It depends on how you taste it.
Wow. We'll do mango.
Isa lang.
Depends on how you taste it. Yeah.
Depends on your preference.
We'll have to think that strawberries, it's probably going to be fake strawberry, but real mangoes. So we'll go with mango. Got some chips. Nice little bar. I wonder if they have beer. It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Dapat may beer.
Beer mo na ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh. Nice. Here. Let's try it. Happy every day.
Show it here.
It's so thick. You can see like 3 fingers thick. Mmm. I'll let you try it. What do you think?
It's like an mango float.
Mm-hmm.
Right. It's thick, but it's not heavy. No.
Mm-mm.
I thought it's mango.
Oh, there is actual mango inside. It's like whipped cream, kind of.
Oh, yeah.
Like, just see mango inside. Okay.